Hi everyone, it's James La Barrie from Beyond Marketing. I'm excited to share a passion project that's been rolling around in my brain for years. A new skydiving podcast called The 20-Minute Call. This podcast is focused on interviews with the people I'm most curious about. I'll be taking a deep dive with them, not just talking about their skydiving accomplishments, but getting to know them beyond the jumpsuit. The 20-Minute Call is a podcast about the dreamers, boundary pushers, rebels, and champions of the skydiving industry. I believe everyone has a story, and I'm thrilled to capture the stories from every perspective within the sport. Your support is instrumental in making this project a success, so I'm extending an invitation to you to be a part of this journey with me. Please follow the 20-Minute Call to ensure you stay connected and never miss an episode. Join me on the 20-Minute Call.